In this video, we're going to go over all the details that homeowners need to consider before they DIY their project. We're going to do a true DIY project. We're going to keep our equipment on the trailer so that we can show you guys how to DIY an underground buried downspout system. Now, if you have sprinklers, you're going to want to use a 3-inch pipe. The sprinkler lines are going to be in the way for a 4-inch pipe. A 4-inch pipe is 60% more dig, more excavation, more labor. So this is going to make for a nice, easy DIY project. Again, a 3-inch pipe will go right over top of those sprinkler lines. And we're going to leave all that equipment on the trailer. Now, when using a 3-inch pipe, you don't need a 90 fitting. You just go ahead and you hook up the vented Cleanout leaf filter to your downspout and then hook up the 3-inch pipe. You don't need a 90. It bends really nice. It's very pliable and it's really shallow. So it's nice. You can go under sidewalks real easy. It's not as deep as a 4-inch pipe. It doesn't take up as much area, and you can get more slope when you're flat because you're starting out higher. Again, a 4-inch pipe is deeper, so you're going to lose some of that slope. Get it past all this landscape. That's key. If you have landscape, keep running that line out. Remember, landscape traps water inside your yard, and it will not let it drain out. It'll create a saturated yard. You want to run your underground buried downspout line past all of your landscape. In landscape, I want a 1-piece pipe. That way tree roots and shrub roots cannot penetrate. Here at the pop-up, we always drill a few holes. This is so after a rain, when there's a little bit of water in this pop-up elbow, it'll drain. We have this fitting that connects 3-inch corrugated pipe to a 4-inch pop-up. We have a pop-up that the grass can't grow over. It has a turf restrictor plate. The grass can grow up on the plate, and it will not cover the outlet. This is really important because this is the #1 reason why roof runoff systems fail. We have an inline catch basin to catch all the shingle gravel. We have 1 piece of pipe from the catch basin all the way to the pop-up. This is important because after a soggy yard dries out, soil shrinks and it'll pull pipe apart at the fittings. This is where PVC pipe typically fails. We put pea stone around the pop-up emitter. This is going to help let that water leach away that's left in that pop-up emitter after a rain. We have 1 long run with no interruptions, no cuts, no fittings. It's 1 solid pipe the whole distance. Now pack the dirt in really good. Pack the dirt in, and the little bit of dirt that's left behind with a 3-inch pipe, you can go ahead and put in a wheelbarrow, and you can just fill in a low spot in the yard. Set your pop-up emitter at dirt level, not turf level. That way your lawnmower won't chop the lid off. Now remember, the #1 reason why underground buried downspout systems clog is because people don't filter out the leaves. Make sure you have a really good leaf filter, the kind that has a vertical screen, not a horizontal screen, so they do not plug. Now, if you stayed to the end, that's a good thing because I'm going to give you a tip right now that's going to save you hours during the cleanup process. Take your leaf blower and go ahead, blow all that grass that you had the dirt on. Go ahead and blow that and blow all the dirt, all the little dirt clods onto your underground buried downspout system before you put the turf grass back. This is going to save you hours at the point of cleanup. Don't worry about these dirt clods. They're going to flatten out. Just put your turf grass right on them. You're going to have extra turf grass at the end because when you cut it with a sod cutter, it stretches. No big deal. You'll have a piece or two. If you found any of these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.